Non-stop toys for new Space Jam New Legacy. I found the new Heroes of GOO JIT, but in LeBron James form for the new Space Jam A New Legacy film. This is by Moose Toys. As you can see, I have another Moose Toys LeBron James figure in the background. Found this one at Target though, and there are actually other ones to collect. So the one that I got is the LeBron James Power Up one. Then there is LeBron James, which is some glittery textured limbs. Then there's Bugs Bunny, and then Tasmanian Devil. How cute is that? Let's open it up. He is so super stretchy and super duper squishy. So he feels like a very soft goo. He has his uniform over his GOO JIT body. It's a hard head. Whoa. I want to collect them all now because they're all different textures and feelings like inside. So this one has a power gel inside, and you can tell that he's blue and he has like sparkles in there. So this must be like something that happens when he's playing on the court. This is removable, just like the other GOO JIT dolls where you can remove their like shorts. Heroes of GOO JIT are the line from Moose Toys that are super stretchy, fun, tactile play action figures. And the same goes for this new Space Jam A New Legacy version. So fans can recreate fun scenes from the movie. And because he's super stretchy, it kind of reminds me of like cartoon poses and stuff like that. Really very stretchy. Feels really nice. Great for sensory play too, and as a stress reliever, and just fun to pose and to play with. You get them posed right, they can actually stand up and fall over. However, we have a lot of GOO JIT characters and figures, and they are amazing. So this would go great with other Heroes of GOO JIT action figures that you already have in your collection. And if you're new to the collection, this is a great way to begin, especially with licensed ones. Super duper fun, and for the new movie, you can't go wrong. Stretch him in all different directions, twist him, fold him, squish him. Possibilities are endless. Each Heroes of GOO JIT character has like their own different like character trait. So this one has its powered up goo inside. It can stretch up to 3 times its regular size. So you can just keep stretching and enjoy a lot of like stretching and squishiness and rough play, and you really won't see any damage to the graphic. It's still intact even after squishing and stretching like crazy. Kids are gonna love this. Like when you press down, it's so satisfying. And it's a great stress reliever for parents too. And if you already have some other Heroes of GOO JIT as part of your collection, add this to your collection. It's super duper fun. And because Moose Toys has this this Warner Brothers license now, we are going to probably see some amazing things. They already have Batman, the Joker, so it's a lot of cool things coming out, especially for Heroes of GOO JIT. Super awesome.
Well, this is the LeBron James Heroes of GOO JIT cartoon version for Space Jam A New Legacy. In a nutshell, let me know what you think of him in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos featuring the new Space Jam A New Legacy toys. I have some fun stuff coming.